Hello my dear students of class 5. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you the second chapter of moral science. In my previous class, the first class of moral science, I have taught you the first chapter and the name of the chapter was Happy as I Am. Okay. And even in my second class, I have given you the question answer and 3 exercises. What meaning? Fill in the blanks and true and false. After completing chapter number 1, today I am going to start the new chapter, chapter number 2. And the name of the chapter is Using Your Time. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the value of time. Okay, we should value the time. Time doesn't wait for anyone. Do time wait for anyone? No. Once the time goes, it goes. It doesn't wait for anyone. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about how to use time. There is a story about Malika's timetable. So before starting the story, there is let's listen. Okay. So let's do that first. Then we will do this story. Okay. So you are watching a very exciting movie. Okay. Your favorite movie, exciting movie. Okay. And you don't want to miss that movie. Okay. It is so exciting and you are watching it. So at the same time, your friend calls you to play. Okay, play out. Okay. So now you are watching exciting movie. You don't want to miss that. Okay. And you don't even want to miss the playing with your friends. So can you do these two things at same time? Can you watch the exciting movie and play also at the same time? No. You have to choose between these two. Whether you have to watch the exciting movie or you want to play. So you have to choose now. You cannot do these two things at the same time. So every day there are so many important things. Okay. And there are things we would like to do in our everyday life. Okay. But we are not able to do some of them. We are not able to do some of them because there are things we cannot do at the same time. Like your friends will call you to play and you are watching exciting movie. So can you do both the things at the same time? No. So many things are there in our day-to-day life that we cannot do at the same time. But we can do only when we will learn how to use the time well. Okay, many of them are there. They don't know how to use time. Okay, they don't know how to use time. You can do everything. Okay, you can do everything only when you will learn how to use the time well. After learning this, you can do your works on proper time. Okay, so you can do many more things. Okay, when you will learn how to use the time well. After learning this, you can do your works on proper time. Okay, so you can do many more things. Okay, when you will learn how to use the time well. Now we are going to see, okay, the story. There we are going to learn about how to use the time. Okay, so now let's start. I will do the reading also and I will explain you, okay, the story. So now let's read. The name of the story is Malika's timetable. Okay, so I'll read, okay, one by one, then I will explain you. Okay, in this way reading will be also there. Okay, and explanation will be also there. So let's start. Malika had many interests and hobbies. She also wanted to do well in her studies. She was attending dance classes. She sang in the school choir and had to catch the early bus for practice. And then there was Hindi tuition and so on. Malika often felt that her days were not long enough. So Malika had many interests, okay, and hobbies. She has so many interests and she has so many hobbies, okay, and she even wanted to do well in her studies. Okay, she had dance classes, she was attending dance classes, she sang in the school choir, okay, and to sing in the school choir she had to catch early bus for the practice. Okay, she had to go for practice, okay, early in the morning. She had to catch the bus, okay, and there was Hindi tuition also, and so on. So many things were there that Malika had to do. So Malika has so many interests, okay, and hobbies. We have seen, okay, she wanted to do well in the studies also. She had dance classes. She sang with the school choir. For that she had to catch the early bus, okay. And then she also had Hindi tuition and so many things. And Malika often felt that her days were not long enough, okay, that to do this so many things, okay. For her, she felt that the day is short, okay, and she have to do so many things, okay. Now let's see the second paragraph. She loved to play with her friends, watch television and play games on the computer. There were days when she could not find time to do her homework. She loved to play with her friends, okay. She loved to watch television. She loves to play games on computer, okay. And there were days that she did not find time to do the homework, okay. She did not find the time to do the homework, okay. So if you will not do the homework, definitely you will get the scolding. Definitely you will get the scolding from the teachers and from your parents, okay. Same way this Malika also got scolding from her teachers, from her mother, okay. So now let's read. And her teacher scolded her, and so did her mother. Sometimes she was so busy playing with her friends that she forgot to go for her Hindi tuition. Her Hindi teacher scolded her for missing her lesson. Then what I said, that there were days that she did not find time to do her homework. Then her teacher scolded her, even her mother also scolded her, okay. And one day she was so busy in playing with her friends that she missed her Hindi tuition, okay. So her Hindi teacher scolded her for missing the classes, okay. If you will miss your class, so you will get the scolding from the teachers, okay. So her Hindi teacher also scolded her for missing the Hindi tuition, okay. So her Hindi teacher also scolded her for missing the tuition, okay. So she was getting scolding from everywhere, from mother, from teachers, for not doing the homeworks, for not doing the works on time, for missing the classes. So she was getting scolding and scolding only, okay. So now let's read the next paragraph. Next paragraph. One day she was too tired to wake up early and missed her music class. The music teacher scolded her. Malika was really sad and did not know what to do. Now she got scolding from her teacher, okay, for not doing homeworks, okay. From her Hindi teacher also she got scolding as she missed the class. So one day what happened? One day she was too tired to wake up early and go for her music class. So she did not get up because she was tired, okay. So she missed her music class, and her music teacher scolded her for missing the class. And Malika was really sad, okay. She was sad. Why she was sad? Because she was getting scolding from everyone, from her Hindi tuition teacher, from her music class teacher, from her mother, okay, for not doing homeworks, for not attending the classes on time. So she was getting scolding. That is why Malika was sad, okay. So definitely anyone will be sad now. Anyone will be sad. You will be also sad if you get this much scolding, okay. So same way Malika was also sad, okay, and definitely she will get scolding. If you will also not do your work on time, then you will get scolding from your mother, from your teachers. The same way Malika also got scolding from her teachers, okay. So now she was not able to know what to do. She did not know what to do, okay. She was very sad, okay. So we will also feel sad now if Malika is sad, okay. So now let's see what this Malika will do and who will help her to come out of this problem, okay. Now let's see the next para. The next day, Malika's grandmother came to visit them. Malika was very fond of her grandmother. After dinner, Malika asked, "Can you help me, grandmother? I want to do so many things, but I don't have enough time to do them." So, as Malika was in problem and she was sad, so the next day, Malika grandmother came, okay, to visit them, and Malika was very much fond of her grandmother. She loved her grandmother very much, okay. And after dinner, Malika asked her grandmother that, Can you help me, grandmother? I want to do so many things. Okay, I want to do so many things, but I don't have enough time to do them. Okay, so can you help me, grandmother? I want to do so many things, but I don't have enough time. Okay, so can you help me? She said, so can you help me? She asked her grandmother. Now let's see what her grandmother said. Grandmother sat with Malika and made a list of all the things that the child liked to do. Then they divided the list into three: very important and everyday, another for weekends only, and a third for when I am bored. So grandmother and Malika said, okay, and they made a list. Okay, they made a list of all the things that Malika want to do, and they divided the list into three categories. Okay, they divided the list into three categories. Okay, very important and everyday. Okay, the next one was weekend only. Third one was for when I am bored. Okay, so Malika and grandmother said, okay, and they made a list. Okay, and then they divided the list into three groups. What were the groups? Very important and everyday. Second was weekends only, and the third one was when I am bored. Okay, now let's see what they have written under this groups. Okay, under these three lists, they wrote down the things Malika wanted to do: homework, getting things ready for school, polishing shoes, dance practice, and doing household jobs went into the first list. So under these three things, okay, they wrote, okay, both Malika and grandmother, okay, they discussed and they wrote what Malika want to do. Okay, so under these three categories they have written. So in the first category they have written the important thing. Okay, what was the first category name? Was very important everyday. So in everyday, what were the things she have to do? So what were the things? First was homework, getting things ready for a school, then polishing shoes, then dance practice, and doing household jobs went into the first list. Okay, so these things went into the first list, like homework, okay, then getting things ready for school, household works, polishing shoes and all. So these things, dance practice, so all these things went into the first group. Okay, now let's see the next one. Reading storybooks, playing with friends, tidying bookshelves, watching television, and playing with the dog went into the second list. So what were in the second list? Like reading the storybook, playing with the friends, tidying the bookshelves means, like tidying means cleaning the bookshelves and all, watching television and playing with the dogs went into the second category, that was weekends only. Okay, so now let's see what went into the third list. Many things like paintings, taking pictures and playing on the computer went into the third list. And many things like painting, taking pictures, playing on the computer went into the third list. And what was the name? When I am bored. So when she will be bored, what she will do? She will do painting, or she will do sticking the pictures, okay, or she will play the games on computer. Okay, she will do these things when she is bored. So you have understood how they made the timetable. First they have made the list, then they have divided the list into three groups. Okay, first they have written very important and everyday, then what was their weekend only, and when I am bored, the third one. Then they have written all the important things in the first list. Then in the second list they have written. Then in the second list they have written in the weekend only. And the third list they have written when they are bored. So now let's see what his grandmother has said to Malika. Grandmother said to Malika, you need a timetable. Malika, just like you have at school, that will help you to use your time well. So grandmother said that you need a timetable. How you have a timetable at school, same way you need a timetable. If you will make a timetable, then you can use your time well. Okay, and you can do so many things, whatever you want to do, and you don't have enough time, okay, still if you will make the timetable, you can do so many things, okay, in that time only you can do so many things. So you need a timetable like you have at school. So every one of us has timetable at school now. Same way we should also make the timetable at home, okay, when you are going to do homework, when you are going to play, when you are going to read, when you are going to watch the television. If you will make the timetable, it will be very easy for you to do all the works, and you will not get scolding from your mother or from the teachers or from others, okay. Okay, if you will make the timetable. Now let's see the last paragraph. So the two of them made a timetable for Malika. The next day Malika began her new life. At the end of the week, she found that nobody had scolded her. In fact, everyone was pleased with her, and she herself was very happy and satisfied. So both of them made a timetable for Malika, both grandmother and Malika herself. Okay, they made a timetable for Malika, and she began her new life from next day. Okay, she began her new life. Okay, and she was able to do all the work. She did not miss, okay, any classes, even a Hindi class, her music class. She have not missed any class. She did all the homeworks and all on time. She played also, okay, so she did all the things, and at the end of the week she found that nobody scolded her. So how anyone will scold her? As she made a timetable and she began her new life, okay, she began her new life, and she did all the works according to the, she did all the things according to the timetable. So she found that at the end of the week she did not get any scolding, okay, as she have done all the things according to the timetable. So she did not get scolding from anyone, okay. Rather everyone was pleased with her, everyone was happy with her, as she was doing all her works on time, okay. She did not miss any tuitions or any classes, okay. She did all her works on time, okay, and she was also, she herself was happy and satisfied, okay. So anyone will be happy and satisfied, no, if you are not getting scolding and you are doing all the works on time, okay, you are doing all the works on time and you are not missing anything, okay. So what will happen? You will be also happy now that yes, I have done all my works, okay, and I have not missed my any class. So you will be happy only, okay. So you will be happy. Same way, if you want to do so many things, okay, and you are not able to do, as you think that there is not enough time for to do them, okay. So how you can do? You have to make timetable. As you have seen how this grandmother and Malika, they sat and they made a timetable. Same way you also need to make a timetable. If you don't have time to do the works, okay, to attend your classes and all, okay, you want to do so many things but you don't have enough time, so what you have to do? You have to make a timetable. If you make a timetable, if you will learn to use the time well, so you can do so many things. So every day during your school year, you have so many works to do, your homeworks, you have to prepare for test, okay, you want to also play games on computer, you want to play with your friends, okay, outside, you want to visit your friend, you want to play with the dogs, painting is there, so many things are there you want to do, okay. So how you will do? Okay, you want to do this all, you want to do the homeworks also, you want to prepare for the test also, you want to play also, you want to visit your friend also. So can you do this all at the same time? No, you cannot do. So you want to do all these things, okay. So how can you do? You can do only when you value the time. If you will value the time, if you will know the value of time, then you will use it properly. So everyone should know the value of time, then only you can use it properly, okay. When we know the value of anything, okay, not only time, then only we start to use it properly. If you will do your homework late at night, okay, it is late at night means you have to sleep, that is the time to sleep. But if you will do your homework late at night, so what you will do? What type of homework you will do? You will do wrong homework, and after doing you will become tired. So you will be tired even to get up early in the morning and go for the school, okay. So do not pack your school bag on time, so you may miss any books, okay. Sometimes you miss some books, okay, copies. Okay, why? Because you do not pack your school bag on time. Okay, so you should learn to pack your school bag on time, then you will not miss any books. And if you are watching television instead of reading, okay, for your test, instead of preparing for test, and you are watching television, so whatever marks you will get disappointing marks. Okay, so if you will not do the works on time, so everything will get mess. Okay, everything will get mess. So there is proper time for every activity. You can even watch the television, you can even prepare for your test. Okay, you can pack your school bag also, you can play with your friend also, when only if we make the timetable like Malika. Okay, we will make the timetable and we will divide the list into 3 groups. Okay, how Malika and her grandmother had divided the list, in the same way if you will divide the list, and if you will write the important things under first category, then what you want to do in the weekend, and what you want to do when you are bored, so it will be very easy for you and you can do all the activities. Okay, only if you will make the timetable, you will be able to do so many things which you like to do if you will make the timetable. So from this story we have learned that we should value the time. Okay, if we will value the time, we can use it properly and we can do so many things which we like to do. Okay, and we will not get scolding from anyone. Okay, and you will be even pleased with yourself, you will be also happy with yourself when you will not get scolding and you are doing all the works on time, so you will be also happy. So we should value the time. Okay, we should learn to use the time well. Okay, so from this story we have learned that we should learn to use the time well, and we can learn it when we will make a timetable, so we can do all the works on time. Okay, so with this I have completed chapter number 2. Okay, I have said you the story. In my next class I will give you the question answers. Okay, so for today up to this much. Understood? So I also want you to value the time, make a timetable, then you can do all your works, you can do your homeworks, you can play with your friends, you can watch television. Okay, so make a timetable. Okay, understood? Thank you.